Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to link Spotify to Discord Mobile easily, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure that you are in Discord Mobile just like I am right now, and then tap on the three lines on the top left corner, tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen right here. Once you're here, tap on connections and then tap on add on the top left corner. When this menu pops up, find Spotify and tap on it. It will take you to this screen where you have to fill in your information, your Spotify information. Do that quickly. Once you do that, tap on login and then tap on agree on the bottom right here. Just scroll down and tap on agree. And once you do that, just wait for some seconds. And then just like that, you have linked Spotify to Discord, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.